Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, I am here to give you a very important information regarding your exams and your preparation strategy. So, I have already told you that your SSC 2021 exam dates have come up, okay, tentative dates. So, you will be having your exams in the month of May. Right, beta, for both AP and Telangana. So now you have exactly 3 months, that is, you have Feb, March and April. You have only 3 months for your preparation, and most of you have not even started your preparation. Most of you have not even revision ko baat mein rakho. So you don't even know the concepts. Okay, the explanation part is also not done by the schools because of this COVID situation scenario. Earlier, what happens is your seniors would have already finished the portion by this time. The explanation part would have already been done, and now it is only revision part. They would have their board exams, pre-board exams, pre-final examinations, and so on, and they would have 2-3 revisions minimum in their school itself. But now this is a special case for you, so you don't have your schools, and now but you have your board exams, isn't it, beta? So your syllabus is reduced by 30%. Yes, so only 70% of your syllabus is there for your examinations, right? So now the important point is, now many students don't know what is this 30% of syllabus which is reduced and what is the 70% of syllabus which I need to study, right? That is the first point. Second point is, students don't know of how to plan their these 3 months because they have only limited number of days. They don't know how to plan these days so that they can attain maximum from the time which is there with them, because schools are going to start. So you need to understand how to manage your time between the school, between your self study, and how to be focused, and you have to make your preparation in such a way that it is exam oriented, right, beta? So we don't have time now for all the extra things. We don't even have time to think of anything extra. So all that we have to do is, every step you take from now should be towards your exams. Okay, it should be strategically planned, right? So now, as you all know, we have a app. Okay, math facilitator has its own app, and I already told you that courses have started for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, but we have a Republic Week sale. So your exams and the Republic Week sale has come up at the same time, so I thought, let me introduce these offers to you so that it may be helpful for you. These courses, we are already giving it at a discount of 60%. Okay, 60% discount we are giving on the courses, and flat 200 rupees discount. I thought, since the dates are announced, it will be helpful for more students to join in, and it will be helpful for your preparation. So I thought, let me give a 200 rupees additional discount on this. Now, not only this, now if you purchase any course, okay, let it be for Telangana or AP, if you purchase the course, you will get coupons. Okay, you will get Amazon ka coupon, you will get Volkswagen, Red Wolf, Disha, Zoom in. So there are many brands which are associated with our app. Okay, so you can purchase and get a chance to win exciting offers from these brands. Okay, so you have Amazon, also one of the great our most renowned brand, Volkswagen, Red Wolf, Disha Publications, I hope you all know. Yes, isn't it? Zoom in. So now this offer is only for the first 100 interested students. Okay, only for the first 100 interested students we want to give this offer, because the we also want to be exam oriented. We want to give individual attention to all the students. So it will be little difficult if more and more students come in. So we have restricted the number, so only the first 100 students will get this offer. So to avail the offer, you have to enter the coupon code REPUB, REPUB. Okay, so it's a Republic Day offer. So this is the coupon code. You can visit our app and check out this. Now I'll tell you what is the course all about. Yes, so for Telangana, we have launched a target batch wherein we will be discussing only the 70% syllabus, which is important for your examinations and which will get you in your examinations, right? Because we don't have extra time to, think of other concepts. So we have to focus only on the examination and on our marks, because we have only 3 months now. So we will be taking live classes for you. This has already started. This course has started. So we have finished 3 chapters. So you can see the recorded classes of the free 3 chapters, because here we are giving you unlimited recorded classes. So you can see the recorded classes and you can join the live sessions from now. If you purchase the course right now, you can join the live sessions from tomorrow. And you have practice sets. We give you worksheets every week, after every chapter, and in between also, depending on the requirement of the students and the doubts of the students, we give you worksheets, practice sheets. And we also have doubt clearing sessions. Okay, direct doubt clearing session we have. And we have mock test every weekend. You will have a test, okay, to analyze how much are you scoring in the chapter and how much you have to score more. Okay, and what are your weak areas, what are your strong areas, and in which area you have to develop. So all these things will help you to prepare very well for your examination. And you also get notes, right? So the course was actually 4,000, but we gave a discount of 60% on it, and now it's for 1599. But on Republic Day we still want to reduce the prices, and we are giving an additional 200 off on this. Okay, and it is only for the first 100 students. So do purchase a course right now to get the offer, right? Because exams are the dates have come up, and I know many students you are worried. So these courses will definitely help you, and since it is an offer, so it's an additional advantage for you to come up and take up the courses, because examinations are anyways they are going to be held. And now you got a long gap. You don't have schools and the learning has almost stopped. So we don't want this to happen. And within 3 months, if you have to cover everything, schools covering everything in the schools is really impossible, because now the schools also has to teachers has to set up in the environment. Students have to adjust themselves in the environment, because with the new COVID rules, you have to listen to your classes. It's really stressful for the teachers as well as the students. And since your exam dates have come up, it is really stressful for you also to understand the entire concept which was taught in your online classes. Now which the teacher definitely they will rush in the school, because they have to teach so many students. And due to COVID rules, the number of students are limited, so they have to take extra classes for all the students. So it's going to be hectic for them, and it's going to be confused for you also to understand everything, because individual focus attention will not be given to you. So now these courses will definitely help you, as I told you. Now this course is for Andhra Pradesh. So as I promised for Telangana, for AP students also we are giving all the features for AP students also. And for AP students the course is 1299 only. And now Republic Day offer we have reduced it 200 more. Okay, so you will have it for 200 off on 1299 you will have, right? So 200 rupees discount you will get, right? So I hope you will utilize these courses properly, and you will crack your exams. So this offer is only for the first 100 students. So hurry up, do enroll fast, do purchase fast, so that you can get these exciting offers also. Thank you. I'll meet you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.